Hello students. From now on, you will be required to install two applications, but they will all do the same thing. You can either use Google Docs or Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you quickly how you can install any of the two, and we will be using it in our class. All the details, explanation on how to use them, we will be learning from now on. So on my phone here, as you can see, I have my Play Store. You can see it from the list of icons. Play Store is there. If yours is not there, you can open your program, then you look for where Play Store is. Like mine is on top right here. Play Store is there, so you will tap on it to open it. Then the first application I'm going to install is Docs. You search for Docs, then you click here search. So you'll find Google Docs. So tap on install. It will start installing the application. You will sit and wait. The size is 25.92 MBs. So I will resume when it is complete. So as you can see, my application is now installing. It has completed downloading. So after it has installed, I can start using it straight away. The notes will be available, or I'm going to explain to you the difference between Google Docs and Microsoft Word. These two applications almost they do the same thing, but we are going to look at the difference. Google Docs is owned by Google, while Microsoft Word is owned by Microsoft company, which is founded by Bill Gates. Almost getting done. Almost getting done. So Google Docs, the most important thing about Google Docs, it is online. Even if you have installed on your phone, everything you're doing is saved on your email account in your Google Drive. So if you have email accounts, it comes with a lot of features which you can use. Now it is installed, so you can either tap on open to open it, or if you check your list of program, you should be able to see it. Let me see. It is coming. It has not yet come. Okay, it is going to come on my screen here. Should be down here. But let me open it directly from here. You tap on open. So I have already signed in. It is fetching all my documents which I have been working on. But for your case, if you don't have any document, you might not see any of them. So you can see mine. I have a lot of documents which I work on. Even if I lost my phone, I lost my computer, all these files are not lost. As long as I've got another one, I have access to all these documents because they are saved in my Google Drive. So that is the advantages of using Google Docs.